What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the headlight bulb, bulb number 9012, in a 2014 Chevy Impala. First, pull the hood release lever to open the hood. Next, push the hood latch to the right and lift the hood. I will do both sides, but I'll do the passenger side first, because it has the most clearance and is the easiest to see the procedure. The headlight is here, follow it back, and the bulb is located behind this dome-shaped plastic cover. First, rotate the cover counterclockwise, then pull it out. It has a blue O-ring, which is what provides the seal. Now the light bulb is exposed. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Here's the light bulb. Lift the tab on the plug to unlock the bulb from the harness, then pull it straight off. Reverse this process to reinstall. Push the new bulb onto the plug, making sure the lifting tab locks on. Insert the bulb into the housing with the plug vertical. Rotate the bulb clockwise to lock it in. Insert the cover and rotate clockwise to lock it in. Done! Now let's do the driver's side. There are some obstructions that make it more difficult, but the procedure is the same. Rotate the plastic cover counterclockwise and remove it. I was able to sneak it to the side, toward the center of the car, to get it out of the way. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Lift the locking tab and swap in the new bulb. Reinstall the bulb into the housing, rotating it clockwise to lock it in. Sneak the cover back in, insert it into the housing, and rotate it clockwise to lock it back in. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.